If you would like to get logged into your Mashreq Bank mobile app, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So before that, make sure that you have installed this application. If not, head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Mashreq UAE, install this app, and then open it. Once you do so, you will see a page like this. If you are not a customer already, tap on Become a Customer. If you already are a customer and you would like to log in, tap on Sign in here. Now at the top box, type in your username. Once done, type in your password. If you would like this device to remember your username, check this box, then tap Sign in. If you forgot your credentials and need help resetting your password, tap on Forgot Credentials and simply type in the 16-digit card number, and likewise tap on Submit after filling out these information and get help resetting your account. And if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your account. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.